We're back again in our July 4th 5K event, but this time instead of working with the toolbar, we're going to talk about all the features in the table. Now just as a reminder, to insert a table, all you need to do is click this icon, choose the number of rows and columns you want, click OK. Even when my table is created, I can change the number of rows or columns by right-clicking and choosing to insert a row or delete one. Once my content is there, I might want to make it look better or spice it up. Let's say I want to make this just look like one giant cell. All I need to do is highlight the content, right-click, click Cell, and then click Merge Cells. Maybe I want to do more than that. I can right-click again and click Cell Properties. Here I can change different settings of the cell, from the width and the height to whether the words wrap, the horizontal alignment of whether it's left, center, or right, the vertical alignment, and I can change the cell's height. Perhaps I want to make it into a header cell. I can also mess with the background color of the cell and the border color. I can also work with cell properties in multiple cells at one time. All I need to do is highlight more cells and then work with that. If I want to make changes about the whole table, I just need to right-click and go to Table Properties. In Table Properties, I can choose to make headers, like the first row. I can change the border size, the alignment, the width, the height, cell spacing, etc. Now, one recommendation that we always make is that your width is at 100%. This way, if you're looking at the table on a mobile device, you can see all the columns at one time. If you want to see how your table will look on your phone, click Save and click Mobile to get a preview.